You have mock exams coming up, and this is exactly how you are going to revise after school if you're aiming for top grades. This might look scary to begin with, but do not worry, I'm going to walk you through the entire thing. Be sure to save this for later if you want to guarantee yourself the best chances of success. The first thing that you are going to want to do is to rank your subjects and color code them. The reason for this comes down to the fact that you don't need to spend an equal amount of time revising everything. As you can see, we've got GCSE and we've got A-level. If you're doing A-levels, just split this into 3. If you're doing GCSE, obviously you're going to be doing 9 or more subjects. Color coding past the first 3 subjects doesn't really matter, and you will see why when we get onto the revision timetable. Right, let's jump in to the timetable. So this after-school revision timetable actually starts in the morning when you wake up. So we will ignore WCRV for now, that will be a separate video, but for now I want you to focus on doing flashcards on your way to school for your weakest 3 subjects. You see we have red, orange and yellow. These are your weakest 3 subjects. Now if we move on to after school, obviously you're going to be at school in the day so you can't really revise there past what you're doing in the class. We have 4 until 8 o'clock, but there's obviously a break for dinner in the middle of that. I do not recommend you revise any more than 3 hours a night after school. You're going to completely burn yourself out and it's just unmanageable. The point is here, you can see different colours are allocated different days. Red, orange and yellow are allocated more time than the other subject. Every day after school, you're going to aim for 3 distinct work blocks, which last maximum an hour, and I don't even recommend spending an entire hour working. I would split this up into Pomodoros if I were you, so this is 25 minutes working and then 5 minutes off. The reason for the rankings, as you can see from this timetable, is that red, orange and yellow have been allocated more time than any other subject. For me, red would probably be chemistry, orange would probably be physics, and yellow probably English literature. If you are doing A-levels, just take this red, orange and yellow as your one weakest subject. Obviously, based on your other time commitments and other exams that you might have in the week, you may want to jig this around. However, this is for guidance. If you find it helpful, be sure to screenshot it. If you found this video helpful, save it for later and follow for daily revision tips.